Hi guys, I haven't done a get ready with me and I feel like a long time, and I'm using a bunch of new products. I'm gonna stop looking like this. I went to the gym and then took a shower, moisturized my face, and then I put on this SPF. Nothing is sponsored in this video today, okay? You guys, if you're looking for a new face SPF, this one is amazing. It's SPF 50, by the way. It just goes on so nicely. I wear Glow Recipe on my face every single day, and I felt really lucky that they sent this to me. It's literally incredible. I have it on my skin right now. I put this on, and I just let it soak into my skin before I do my makeup. I give myself about 5 minutes or so, and I started using a primer, okay? I like never use a primer ever, but I get this redness around my nose, especially when my period's coming. But I've been using this e.l.f. green primer. It's just tone adjusting face primer. Yesterday I didn't wear any makeup on the face except for that SPF and this primer, and my skin just looked so fresh and just beautiful and literally flawless. I was like, okay, so that's my new go-to when I want to have a no makeup day. I know the green is a little intimidating, but it really does work. After I prime, I kind of just let my face sit for a minute. I don't know why. I don't want the primer to like bunch up or anything, so I just kind of let it. Like, look, I feel like this looks so good. Just like, I also want to throw this in the video. No one's telling me to say this, but I thought it was a really good deal. So these gold hoops that I wear every single day, these minis, I literally never take them off. I also have a bracelet that goes with these, but I took that off to self-tan the other day. The brand is Hey Harper. I've talked about them before, and I have a discount code with them, Hey Lyss, but they're having a big sale right now. I got this in my email. The website is 20% off, plus buy two, get the third one free. But if you use my discount, you get extra discount on top of it. So if you're looking for gold jewelry that doesn't tarnish, these literally don't leave my ears. The front ones do sometimes, but these back ones are always there, always there. And I take really long showers, so I'm just saying, in case you're interested. This is the Dermablend Flawless Creator. I do my foundation in 2 ways. So first I take a brush. I'll move some over here. Like to paint the face first, I have to go in with some sort of sponge. I use the Real Technique ones. I love them. See? Love that. Okay. And then I take one of these. It's a water tint from, I got a pack of 3 of them off Amazon. I know Benetint makes one as well, or Benefit makes a Benetint. I go like this, and I tint the lip. I just let it sit for a bit until I do my lips last, because then when I put my lips products on and the lip products fade, it fades really naturally. It doesn't fade to this. You'll see, you will see, and you'll love it. I go in with this Bite Beauty Change Maker powder, and I just tap just a little bit. I don't like to bake the face or anything. I just kind of tap a little just to set. Next is when I'm going to go in with bronzer and blush. I've been using these forever. The only problem is my Charlotte Tilbury blush now is shattered. I don't even know how or when that happened. Oh, my lips look so small right now. Okay. Does it really do anything? I don't know, but for my mind it does. So see how this is fading to more of like a natural lip? I love that. Then the blush I use is by Youngblood. This is their Defining Bronzer in Caliente. Literally, it is, I've had it forever. I'm gonna do the 3, of course, go around the forehead. Okay, and when I do my bronzer, I know I'm doing my bronzer where you should contour, but I just like, guys, this is how I like to do it. I just kind of tap it first. I tap everything first before I go through and like blend. Does that make sense? Then I also do it under my lip for a shadow effect. So I just squeeze the brush, I put a little, and I just right there. Okay, makes my lip look more like, do you see that? And then of course down the nose. My favorite trick for the nose is, I feel like my nose contour looks different, or Nors, but my nose bronze, it looks different every day. I like to take this little guy, there's a hair on it, and I take a little bit of this bronzer, and I like to like stamp it right here like this, because they say it's good to like pinch the nose at the top right there for, I don't know, who cares? Anyways, So then for my eyeshadow, I do absolutely nothing. Half the time I don't do anything at all, but I'm gonna today add a little bronzer just because why not? Do I do this every day? Absolutely not. I prefer just mascara on my eyes. I don't like eyeshadow on my eyes. It's just not, I don't feel like it fits my face correctly. I'd rather just have like really pretty lashes and nothing on my eyes at all and just my, like a bolder lip, I guess. Now for brows. The Charlotte Tilbury, this brow cheat is honestly God's greatest gift to makeup. It's the best thing to happen to eyebrows. Like, I'm obsessed with it. My eyebrow hairs are naturally dark and thick. It's just that when I have plucked them or something, or they've grown straight out, I'll pluck them and then I feel like I have this weird little bald spot for a while and I'm like, why? Then I set my brows in place with the Brow Fix from Charlotte, of course. I'm literally running out of it though, so I scratch off as much as I can back into the tube and then just use what's left on the brush. Because I'm literally running out of it. It makes me sad. Now, before I do mascara, I like to do my lips. Then I've been using these two lip liners. They're both from NYX. I first used this is the Retractable Lip Liner. I first used the shade Nude, and then I used the shade Sand Beige. So first I outline my whole lip and fill it in a bit with this. I always start under the lip for a guide. And my bottom lip, I try not to overline on the sides. I try to just follow my natural lip line. All right, now my problem is with my top lip, okay? I love my lips. I think they're perfect for my face. The only thing is my top lip does not have as much pigment. Does not have as much pigment as my bottom lip. And this side, on my right side, it kind of goes in. This side doesn't do that. So because of that, I try to even them out when I do my liner. I feel like I always do my left side first and I start middle of my Cupid's bow and bring it down. I just let it like fall down, and then this side. See, if I were to let it fall, see how it doesn't match? So then I go to the corner, I pull it up, and now they match. Now what I will do, I kind of like contour my lips, I guess. And this is when I go in with the darker lip liner, Sand Beige. And it is pretty dark, so just be careful if you don't like that. I kind of line like that, and then I go like this on the corner. It's like I'm shading my lip almost. I don't outline the whole lips. It's like I'm just like trying to shade out the corners. So I'm like, not really, but you know what I mean? And then this is when I've been going in with this lipstick. I'm obsessed with this. This is what I've been wearing every day for the last couple weeks. This is in the shade of Baby by the brand Merit. It is such a dream. You can tap, or I don't normally like to swipe with lipsticks, but this is one that I will because I love the color so much. It matches everything I just did. I've never found a lipstick that matches me so perfectly. Never ever. Ooh, are we still here? I had to stop for a second because I had to post some content for you guys. I've been using a certain shampoo and conditioner and cream on my hair for my wavy hair. If you've been following me along in that journey, I've been kind of gatekeeping until I could post about it. So I just posted on Instagram. If you want to know exactly what that is, go to my Instagram, go check it out, and go like the post because that helps me continue to have this as a job. Now to mascara, I just curl the lashes. The mascara that I use is from Maybelline. I've been using this since my birthday last year. It's been 6 months. I probably need a new one. It's pretty dried out now, but this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. Ready for the final look? I put some clothes on. These baby hairs in the back drive me crazy. But look at this makeup. I love it. Wear it every day. Slick back bun today. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will link all the products below for once. I'm so bad at that. I have to get better at that. So in every video, yell at me in the comments, like, where can you link the products, bitch? Like, just yell at me, it's fine. So check out all of those products. If you want any jewelry, like I talked about Hey Harper earlier, I'll have that stuff linked below too. Non-spawn, they're not telling me to post about it. I just wanted to. So yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see you very soon. I hope you enjoyed. If you use any of these products or you have suggestions for me that you think I should try, let me know. I love you. Bye guys.